Hey, Chef Gage here, and episode 4, we're getting to end the season. 10 episodes, I'm guaranteed. Today, we're making pizza. We got vow time. And we got party pizza. Okay, let's do lifetime pizza first. Okay, we're gonna start with the lifetime TV 3-cheese pizza. 3 cheese. Not 1, not 2, but 3. 3 wishes, no returns. Okay, 2 minutes. Next, Tortino's pizza, but I'm thirsty. Editor, speed this up. Yummy. Tortino's pizza. We're gonna open it with scissors. This is the 3rd take.
It is.
I can't stop swearing, and I don't want my videos to be
Demonetized.
That's the horror. No money on my videos when I get enough subscribers.
Subscribers.
Yeah, subscribers.
Subscribers.
No instructions. No instructions for microwave. We're gonna guess. How long?
Well, based on the fact that my family.
I'm not listening to you.
My family.
I'm not listening to you. Chef Gage here, and we're gonna eat the pizzas.
Don't swear.
This one's nice. It's not hot anymore. That's nice.
It's Gucci.
You love dead memes.
Totally.
This one, I think it's better. Just because it's more like flavor.